Mother. Sucker.
Happy Monday. I am going to meet up with Tanya and we're gonna have breakfast because she's in my area. And I'm supposed to see her Wednesday too, so that's cool. Oh, okay. Hello. I am checking in on this beautiful Monday evening. A scam just called me and they actually spooked me for once. Usually I'm really good at catching them. They started talking about like my school and my financial aid, so I kind of took it seriously because I'm like, my financial aid is important. I went to my brother and I was like, this guy was asking me all these things, blah blah blah, and I just hung up on him and he was like, oh yeah, it was probably a scam. And then I got a third call, but this time it said +1 and then it had 911 in parentheses, and I was freaking out and I was like, what the heck, why is 911 calling me? And my brother was like, it's just a scam. And I answered it. He was like, this is 911 now, where I sent out a warrant for your arrest because you weren't compliant and blah blah blah. And I was like freaking out and I was like shaking and like sweaty at that time, and I was like, Anthony, like I think I'm gonna get arrested, like what the heck? And he was like, it's just a scam, they're just trying to scare you, like just ignore it, like hang up. And so I just hung up, and then I was like freaking out and I was like, what, they're gonna arrest me? And he was like, see, they're not even calling back. And they never called back. So I was like, okay. Right now I'm just gonna go pick up Penny because my brother's dog is at my house, and I thought it'd be fun to see how they play with each other. So let's see. And I forgot to mention that I'm all glammed up because I recorded a look. I filmed the video on this look. My princess is here. Jeez. Oh my god.
Do you think Ruki will bite her? No, right?
No. What's up, guys? Just quickly checking in. The batteries are dead. I know, the batteries are dead, but we're getting Loki Pokey joint. Hello, happy Wednesday. Today I am vlogging with the 6500 because I forgot the RX100 at Carlos's and I didn't have time to go there and get it and then like make it to where I'm at on time. I'm hanging out with Tanya. We came to downtown Riverside. She liked this like cafe that she went to a couple weeks ago, so she wanted to come with me. And yeah, I'm just waiting for her to get here. Yeah, it should be fun. So here's Tanya.
I go really.
So I'm at Carlos's now. I left downtown Riverside around 2 o'clock and I got home around 3, did my nails.
This guy Colin drives 2.5 hours because it was all the way like past Santa Monica. Like,
Ugh.
damn.
Nice. Yeah, that's a lot. Jesus Christ. Like those cool people that are just meeting at the same time. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, happy Friday. Today, I had a very easygoing morning. I woke up at like 9:30, which is pretty late for me. I made myself a really nice breakfast. I watched like 3 episodes of Grey's Anatomy and now it's 2 o'clock. A very, very, very easygoing morning. But I'm about to get ready and I'm gonna film like an intro and outro to a video that I recorded earlier. And then I'm gonna head over to Carlos's and edit. Because I did like 5 videos this week. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm watching a little bit of Grey's Anatomy while I'm getting ready. I couldn't stop. But I just got the LA Girl Pro Conceal Color Corrector, the orange one. I have darkness around my mouth that I don't like, and under my eyes I feel like concealer just isn't enough. And the other day I was watching Nikita Dragon, and I saw that she uses it for like her 5 o'clock shadow. I mean, obviously I don't have 5 o'clock shadow, but it seems to work great for her, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm kind of scared because I tried color correcting before and I just looked weird. Or maybe it's just me, but I'm gonna try it. Let's see how this works. Alright, so I look like a crazy, but I like that it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. Like, I don't know, like you can feel when you have concealer on your face, but this just feels like the same as it does where I have my primer. Like it blended in really like seamlessly, which is really cool. But I'm about to put the concealer over it, so let's see. Hopefully I don't look like a crazy anymore.
I'm gonna beat you up.
Daddy, figure what I do. Here, how do you?
Woo! And Penny, how you doing, Penny? Happy Saturday. We are at Carlos's. We're leaving now. We went on a hike this morning and it was really great. We took Penny. We went against our instruction. The trainer told us not to take her, but like we haven't taken her anywhere in so long that I'm like, whatever, I don't care, I'm gonna just take her. And she did pretty good. She did like a B-. It was really great. And now he's showered and all nice and clean, and I still have to go shower. We're gonna go to my place.
Stinks.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready? Ah! 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 You're funny.
Why?
You good? Are you licking it? What are you doing?
Everything else is matte though. Set it. Set my face.
I did say.
You said
what?
everything else is matte?
Powder.
No, like
Spray, so it doesn't just look like
sparkles. Yeah, so it looks like glow.
oh look. I'm done.
Don't worry,
Yeah.
there's an ND filter.
An undie filter?
Undie filter.
Hey, what's up, Lilah? Say what's up, dudes. You getting that?
Oh, what are you doing? Crazy girl?
Are you getting that?
Hey. Where are we at?
Kind of doesn't.
Upside down.